Welcome to our tutorial on connecting the KC100 to XT70W. We should have XT70W VCI, extra Type-C to Type-A USB cable, KC100 with cable. Plug the Type-B end into the KC100. Connect the Type-A end of USB cable to KC100 cable. Connect the Type-C end of the USB cable to XT70W. You will see the KC100 light up. Connect the VCI to the adapter cable and power it on to simulate a car. A beep will indicate successful simulation. On the XT70W, go to Special Function and select Key Programming. Place the key in the KC100. Follow the on-screen steps. Click Read All to see the key ID appear in the upper right. That's how to connect the KC100 to XT70W. See you in next video.